Women over 40 can look as young as 20 with this powerful natural cream that helps eliminate wrinkles, smooths expression lines around the mouth, and reduces all the wrinkles on the neck for a more youthful appearance. For this natural cream, first we will need 1 banana. Peel the banana well and cut it into small pieces as shown in the demonstration. Then blend the banana until you get a smooth paste. Put 1 teaspoon of the paste in a bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, then mix well. Secondly, add about 1 teaspoon of fresh yogurt and mix well again. Now our magical anti-wrinkle cream is ready. Always use it fresh. Do not store it for later use. How to use: apply this cream on your face and massage gently, then wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 2 weeks, and you will be amazed by the results after just 10 days of regular use. You'll grow hair even where you don't have any. Don't use it too much because it may cause excessive hair growth. If your hair is thinning and not growing past a certain length, then this recipe is for you. Save this video before it disappears. For this recipe, first we will need 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves help to promote hair growth. Then add about 3 bay leaves. They help to regain the natural hair color. After that, add about 1 cup of water to a saucepan and let it boil over low heat for about 10 minutes so the ingredients boil well. Once boiled, leave the mixture to cool for about 5 minutes. Then strain it using a fine strainer. After that, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee and mix it well. Now our magical hairspray is ready. Pour it into a spray bottle and spray it gently on your scalp. Massage it well for about 10 minutes, then wash it off with your favorite shampoo. Repeat this process once a week, and you will notice a visible difference after 1 month. Women who are 40 years old look 30 years old when they apply this cream. It completely eliminates wrinkles, expression lines at the edges of the mouth, and all the wrinkles on the neck. I'll share 2 remedies with you. First, we will need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which is beneficial for removing dark spots and wrinkles. After that, add 1 tablespoon of fresh yogurt and mix well. Second remedy. For this, we will need 1 tablespoon of corn flour. After that, crack an egg and separate the yolk. We will only need the egg white. Mix it well. Now both of our natural creams are ready. How to use: apply this to your face before sleeping. Wash your face in the morning. Repeat this process daily for 1 week, and you will be amazed by the results. You will grow hair where you don't have any. Don't use it too much because it may cause excessive hair growth. Save this video before it disappears. For this, first we will need cloves. Grind the cloves until they turn into a fine powder. Secondly, we will need 2 pieces of ginger. Peel the ginger well because ginger stimulates rapid hair growth. Grate the ginger using a grater. Then add 2 tablespoons of clove powder to the grated ginger. After that, add about 1 cup of olive oil. Put the mixture into a frying pan and stir it continuously. After that, filter the mixture using a piece of cloth. Now we have a magical double hair growth oil. How to use: apply this oil to your hair and massage it well for 10 minutes. Then leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, wash it off with your shampoo using warm water. You can store this oil in the fridge for up to 30 days.